High cholesterol is one of the biggest silent threats to your heart, but did you know that certain foods can help lower it almost instantly, starting with your next meal? Today I'm sharing 5 powerful science-backed foods that naturally lower cholesterol and support heart health. 1. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your gut and removes it from the body. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that just 3 grams of oat beta-glucan daily can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, by 5 to 10%. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or add oat bran to smoothies or baked goods. 2. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower LDL while maintaining HDL, the good cholesterol. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that 1 avocado a day reduced LDL cholesterol in overweight adults. Add half an avocado to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies daily. 3. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Research from Circulation found that replacing saturated fats with walnuts significantly reduced total cholesterol and triglycerides. Snack on a handful of walnuts or add them to salads and oatmeal. 4. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols and healthy fats that protect your arteries. A large study published in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that people following a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil had lower LDL and reduced cardiovascular risk. Use olive oil as your go-to cooking fat or drizzle it over salads and vegetables. 5. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound that helps lower cholesterol. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition show that regular garlic intake can reduce total and LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. Use raw or lightly cooked garlic daily in meals for the biggest benefits. These 5 foods aren't just delicious, they're powerful tools to protect your heart and lower your cholesterol naturally. Start adding them to your meals today. Want a complete science-backed diet for healing inflammation and improving heart health? Grab a copy of my book, Eat to Heal, where I break down the A-Star diet, a natural anti-inflammatory eating plan that helps you reclaim your health through food. Click the link below to get your copy now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it.